This tutorial will cover both closed-faced, open-faced, and half helmets. We'll kick off with an open-faced helmet. For more information, you can always refer to your installation guide that came in the box. Our first step would be to remove the inner cheek pads to reveal the ear cavities inside. Once you located the inner ear cavities, take the alcohol pad and clean each ear cavity. Grab a square velcro and attach it to the base of the ear cavity. Repeat the process for the other cavity. Now we've finished preparing the ear cavities, let's go ahead and install the speakers. Note that your speakers have a short left side and a long right side. We will take care of the left side first. Attach the speaker to the velcro with the cord facing the neck pad. To ensure optimal radio reception, please follow the next step. Remove the head padding and run the long speaker cord through the top of your inner helmet all the way to the other side. Attach the right speaker in its place and return the padding. The long cord will now act also as your FM antenna. If your ear cavities are just too deep, use one of these spacers to make sure the speakers are correctly placed. Simply attach the spacer to the velcro and place the speaker on top of it. Now let's install the microphone. Open the second alcohol pad and thoroughly clean the left side helmet cheek. Grab a rectangular velcro and glue it to the base of the cheek. Grab the second rectangular velcro and place it about 5 centimeters or 2 inches away towards the cheek opening. For open-faced and modular helmets, use the supplied hybrid boom mic. Note the base, the middle clap-on, and the yellow triangle near the boom. Watch this yellow triangle. It should face your mouth. Attach the base of the mic to the first velcro and adjust the clap to fit the second velcro. Finally, adjust the boom to meet your mouth with the yellow triangle facing you. Installing a microphone on a closed-faced helmet is a little different. Use an alcohol pad to clean the chin area. Take the corded mic unit, detach it from the velcro, and glue the velcro to the chin area. Attach the corded mic and run the cord along the left side rim of your helmet. Now is the time to attach the audio cradle. This is a standard audio kit. Behind it, you'll find a flexible clip that should go between the helmet shell and the inner lining. Squeeze the audio cradle firmly into its place with the clip pushing on the helmet's inner shell. Some helmets have a thick rim, which is unsuitable for a clamp-based solution. Fortunately, the audio cradle can also be installed using a specially designed glue plate that came inside the box. Clean the designated area with an alcohol pad. Remove the sealing cover from the glue plate and attach it firmly into the lower left side of the helmet. Allow 24 hours for the glue to solidify. Now that was fast. Your PACKTALK audio kit has a release slot. Use a sharp metal object to press in it and then push down on the clamp to remove it, like this, and replace it with a glue plate. Now let's connect all the wires. Okay, now that we got that covered, let's reinstall all the paddings to their original location. Congratulations, we've just finished installing the PACKTALK audio kit on your helmet. Now for the very last step. Let's have a closer look. Your PACKTALK audio kit has two sides, a connector side and a release tab. To insert your PACKTALK, start with the connector side, like this, and then press firmly on the back side until you hear that click. To release PACKTALK, push down on the release tab and your PACKTALK is off. Installing your PACKTALK on a half helmet is easy. Just make sure to have one of these half helmet kits first before continuing. The integrated boom microphone kit is available at any dealership. Depending on your half helmet, use either the clip-based or the glue-based solution. Attach the cradle and adjust the long boom to its correct position. Don't forget to place the yellow triangle directly opposite your mouth. Now, slide the speakers into their correct location. Don't forget to run the long cord through the top inner side of the helmet. Push the right speaker into its designated place. Alright, we're pretty much done. Just please keep in mind that every helmet is different and may require some adjustments to the process you just saw. When in doubt, contact your local dealer for additional help.